Good morning. My name is Suli Jaramillo en el 6th level Administración de Empresas. Green products. These are products that do not contain chemical components and in order was produce less pollutions and about are less harmful to the environment. The change in consumer habits and the commitment to the circular economy are redesigning the rules of the game in consumer decision making. The younger generation are the most committed to ecology and the environment according to the GlobalWebindex study. 6 out of 10 millennials 22, 25, and 55% of generation Z 16, 21, and 51% of Generation X, 3654. Nearly half, 46% of baby boomers, 5564, were in favor of increasing speeding for more eco-friendly products. The need in consumer-based hygiene looks at producing in informing about the oral and composition risks we never possible and is particularly sensitive to local consumers. Beyond recycling, the trend revolves around the circular economy, a change in the way of producing and consuming to give more life to products. They make green products that have cultivate public interest and in 2% energy saving like bowl. 55 bag and packaging made from recycled plastic. 54% recycled peppers. 52% cloth grocery bags. 51 biodegradable soap. If oil are made plastics, they mess gradable from organic crops. Not are full to nature free of toxic components, reduce their carbon footprint, be recyclable, and if applicable, save energy. Creating a new product for a card one or transforming a product that has increased its life of obtain another type of material is one in defined as recyclable products hide their advantage and disadvantage because thanks to reuse material has a triple impact. Waste generated by the consumption of no biodegradable materials in uses so you reduce levels or and give the new useful life you valorize the emissions of greenhouse gas is reduced among other good advantage but energy. Recovery is not highly recommended since in reality the sort of raw materials offered by the wasting is not optimally used. Some recycling process produce pollutant residues. The combustion process in energy recovery causes a new source of polluting emissions. It must be an activity with a series of strong control. However, we could say recycling has something really positive and even more safe when all these disadvantages are overcome. Either by new legislation or by public Sabbath. If we use more biodegradable products, we could reduce carbon dioxide emission. If we use biodegradable materials. Their degradation or recycling could leave no waste. But if we use recycled plastic, they could cause health problems. Also, on a food basis, if we eat organic products, we would consume more nutrients and fats. If I were you, I would start to take into consumption of green products, either food or products that would serve in the home healthy. One example that I can recommend for its benefits is loofah shampoo spoon. Loofah shampoo spoon. Materials. Loofah very similar to pumpkin. Production. Grab in new paper for 2 months. After 2 months, remove the newspapers and remove the skin and seed of the pumpkin. Cut off the ends as sink the sponge. Put the sponge in the bucket of water and let them soak. Rinse and finish removing the seeds. Let dye on newspaper and write it. Distribution. These products was born in Napo sector El Capricho, it an ideal tropical climate for the cultivation of vegetable sponge. From Napo, it is distributed to several sectors of the Ecuador, especially to its main cities, which are Quito, Guayaquil, Cuenca, among others. Has its benefits become known, its sales increase, and so does its distribution. Customer sales. This product is aimed at all types of the customers, whether young, adult, children, who wish to contribute their grain of sand by consuming biodegradable products that help our planet. Success. they have been successful. Nowadays, people are more concerned about using natural products that benefit the ecosystem and flatly keep benefits on them. Comfort zones. People will be able to fill in their comfort zone with this product since as they use it they will be able to feel it benefits, thinking that not only they benefit but also our ecosystems. Thank you very much.